Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new, where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. So this is the finale to my holiday haul. It took me nearly 2-3 weeks to get it all in because we kept having delays with the mailing companies, and like DHL. I ordered what you're seeing in this box now is what I ordered from um over in England and had it shipped over. And they did a 3-day ship. So it took a day and a half for it to exit um, England and get to Chicago. Once it got to Chicago, it took another day and a half to get from Chicago, where it then landed in Austin. And I am like 95 miles away from Austin. Once it got to Austin, it sat there for over a week. No movement, no nothing. Every time I called, after 2 days, I called and said, when is this package going to be delivered? Because I paid for a certain delivery time and you guys are not upholding it. And they were like, well, he said it didn't fit in his inside the delivery truck. So then the next day I was like, okay, did it fit into the delivery truck now? Because I had priority mailing and I paid a bunch of money for it to get shipped to me fast. Oh, well, no, it still didn't fix anything. So then by the fifth or sixth day, I said to them, you need to refund me half of my shipping costs, because for the simple fact I paid for 3-day shipping, and it ever since it got to Austin, it's been sitting there for over a week, no movement, no nothing. Then they were like, well, we told him not to come get it because he got sick doing his route, so he went home. So I was like, when am I going to get my stuff? I paid for this. Like I said, you guys need to pay me half of my money back. And then 2 days after that, well, the day after that, I had the package. And yeah, it was a big package. As you can see, the box is pretty huge. So let me go on and get on to what's in this box. So right here, it's a bra. As you see, I'm a size 42 double D, but I ordered these in 42Ds. Yes, I had big breasts. And this is the underwears that go with it. So as you can see, the little details on the side. Now, I don't have a man in my life, so I didn't buy this to be sexy for no man. I buy it for myself because I like to look sexy underneath my clothes, and I like to pay a fortune to do it. So this whole box of stuff, well, for the underwears and the sleepwear and the sweater and the 2 purses and earrings, came out to $491. So that's pretty good. So here's the other bra. Now that one came in a pack. So, as you see here, that's that. Here's the bra that matches. So here's the other one. Like I said, these came in a pack. So then we have this one. And this is the bra. So the same one came in a pack. So I got 2 of each. And so, this is the underwears. This is the bra. So while I was still on the same website, which I got it from Simply Be, which is out of England, I picked up these here purple shoes. They look blue looking through the viewfinder, but they're actually purple. So I always wanted some purple boots. But every time I would try to order me something, it would be sold out of my size. And I wear 6.5. But I buy my shoes at 7.5. So if my feet swell, I can get in and out of my shoes easily. Something my mama taught me. Alright, so I want to show you guys this here. So this is from Shoe Dazzle. And these are the boots. Cute, aren't they? And here, I got the purse from Simply Be. Now you see it? It kind of matches. It's not going to be the point that... See that? Nice. I got it to go with that because this here is reading white on my viewfinder. But in actuality, it's a tannish color. So as you can see, they go together. So I know I'm going to have fun with this. And this bag is really from Aldo. So I bought some more underwears. There's a whole pack of them because I needed some. So then turn around. and bought some sleepwear. And a sweater. And I bought it really big so it could be big on me so I could be comfortable in it. Let's see. And just some tights and a shirt to go with it. So while I was at it, I picked up these here earrings. Isn't that just so pretty? And it goes with the sweater that I got. So then I turned around and picked this here up also at Simply Be out of England. And this is the bag. Just a small bag. So I got the earrings to match it. And I wanted everything to match this. Now I've had these shoes, oh my goodness, for 4 or 5 years. Never worn them. As you can see, still brand new. Never worn them until I found, now I'm wearing them because I found the handbag and the earrings to go along with it. So that's going to be cool. So while I was at it, I also bought 2 computers at $1,000 and something each. So I gave one to my son as an early birthday gift and school gift because he's going to be going to college, back to college soon. So I want him to have some stuff. And so I turned around and picked up some some Dr. Dre Beats. And this is the Beats EP style. And I gave that to my son. So then I turned around and I picked up me one. Now, you know, if I'm spending my money, I gotta have the best of the two. And I got these here, which is the Studio 3s. And these, I got them on sale for $2.99. And they normally go for $3.49. So I say $50. So let me show you guys how they look. Kind of hard to open this sucker. Right, so here they are. And these are the ones that go over the ear, not on the ear. So they're supposed to be noise canceling if you so choose it. And so these are wireless, but you can have a little thing that goes into it to make it wired. But in order for it to go wired, you still have to have some juice on the battery, which is asinine. That's the reason why you're trying to go with the cord. But that's the only way it will work, is that you have to have some juice from the battery. So I left that on there. I don't know why, but I'm trying to get familiar with it. And I didn't want to use it until I showed it to you guys, because I know me, I'm not gonna want to show it when I've actually ended up using it. So I try not to use them. So, wow, I guess that was all I got. So, wow, I guess I didn't do as bad as I thought I did. I thought I spent like hundreds of thousands of dollars that I normally don't have. I'm living off of credit cards, but I did impressively well. So, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and God bless.